Tracy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Dit is Sally and Blomke and Bella behind. Bella is big. Reintje en there Boukje. Yeah, there she is. En korallen. I'm going with the shovel to that pasture and make a wire behind in the pasture. And I wanted to show you. There was Bella with Sally and Blomke. And first I said we can go through that fence, but it's a bit growing there, the grass. So we said we bring them there on the road and we walk this way. I said to Matilda, I quickly opened the fence, but Bella was walking here and she thought, hey, grass, and there's my mom. So she jumped into the grass, but it's a ditch. But hey, it's also green, so she made a mistake. And that's how she go in the ditch. And she walked through the ditch all the way there. So she could walk, but the ground in the ditch is very slippery, muddy, so she couldn't get out.
Goed zo, braaf, heel braaf. Kun je nou denken? Wat handig.
Oh no.
Ik weet het even niet.
But I'm going to make a fence again, a wire. And I did have a break because the internet on my computer was broken. So I called with a company and I hope it's over now. So I had to switch on the computer. Now I'm on the shovel again, on the front end loader. Yvonne. Tracy. So this is where the horses did go through. Look. There. And there. For safety, I make a wire here. So hopefully this helps. So I'm done with it. A lot of work. When I'm riding here, there are a lot of zweltjes flying around. Don't know why. And I have to close the fence. What an adventure today. Really. Kom maar! Hop, hop, hop! Kom maar! Goed zo! Kom maar! Kom! Kom maar, goed zo! Braaf, hey Yveske. Reisie. Hey! Nee! Hallo? Nee, hey, hey. Toe! Reintje. I bring them in. Ho ho. Goed zo. Nee, kom. Goed zo. They want to go inside too. Skittle, Bibi en Puck.
Ja, ja. Handyman. Oh, dradenbliksem. Kunnen we nou meer het waan op een dooi?
Korallen. Belle. Reintje. Boukje. Sally. Lomke. En Mathilde. Hey.
Als we hier voorbij dat bosje binnen, met die oren erbij, oké?
Reintje en Yvonne. Yvonne sees them, and Reintje not yet, I think. Yes. Dat is Reintje. Korallen en Belle. Oh, that's all? En Sally en Blomke. Reintje en Yvonne. Boukje, Reintje, Yvonne en Reintje. Oh, be careful. Sally en Blomke. En Korallen en Belle. And I really thought Korallen was more angry to Reintje and Yvonne, but it's okay. Boukje. Belle. Reintje. Blomke en Sally. En Coralle. Hey, Coralle. Tracy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ooh. But Coralle is in heat. So she's a bit nicer to the others, but I think Reintje knows he has to be careful. Yes, Reintje. Belle. Hey, Bella. Belle Uniek. Kom eens. No. She's busy. And every time I'm in the pasture with Bella and others, I think how special it would be that Uniek was here. But she isn't. She isn't anymore. Hey, Boukje. Kom eens. Boukje still got the milk powder on her pellets. So the grass is a bit wet. So it goes off. Hey. Hey, Blomke. Sally. Reintje. Well, bye. Ja, hier blijft het helemaal vallen, maar... Ja, ja. Dat is echt lekker. Ik denk dat ik meer dan een halve jaar die al plaats heb, dus ja. Ja. En ik had gewoon dat wij het al leuk vinden. Ja, dat is wel droog, ja. Misschien dit is beter. Zo, ik denk dat we zo'n beeld hebben. Ja. Nou, doe maar. Kom maar, hè? Doe ik al even? Ta-da! Good. They are there now for a couple of hours and it's going perfect. And I'm now going somewhere and I hope I can film, so you will see. Hey, nou, dit is gek.
Paard net? Wat leuk om weer te zien.
Dit is Freke. Ja. Hey, kist dus nog. Grappig.
Ja, echt leuk.
Freke is 23 years old. I talked to the owner of Freke. She calls her Freya. Toch? Freya?
Ja, Freya.
And I think 2 months ago I talked to her and she said maybe you want to come by to see Freke. So we said yes we do. Maar we wilden een datum plannen, maar dat is steeds net lukt. En nou appte ze dat Freke iets met haar eeg had.
Her eye is not doing well.
No, it's not,
Nee. Oh.
not good. But there's something wrong with her eye and now it's going inside her head for as far as we know. And in a couple of days they put her to sleep. So
They have her now on medication, so she doesn't have pain.
Yeah.
And can have a couple more
Yeah.
good days.
yeah,
And enjoy life.
she has the strongest medication. So she looks happy and normal, but she has a lot of pain in her eye.
Lekker.
Wel echt Freke, ja.
Ja.
En wist wat ik leuk is?
Nou,
In het Engels.
you can tell us.
Yeah, she is now 23 years old. And in the year she was born, Rein bought her. When I was with Rein, he bought the mom of Freke and Freke herself when Freke was a filly. So I know her for 23 years now.
Ja.
You. So she's always a bit special. Toch?
Echt wel.
Nou, dit is Bart, de eigenaar van Freke. Tja. Nou. Zo.
Lekker.
Ja, dat is gewoon weer.
Ja. Lekker. We have been to Freke.
Yeah.
We visit her.
And we said goodbye to her. Because in a couple of days they put her down. Because she's very sick. Her eye.
And also on the leg she has a lot of pain with
Yeah.
walking.
So it's better. But we're very glad we could see her.
Yeah, special to us to see her.
Yeah. Hey, hey. Boukje. En Reintje. Zo zou me roeken? Hé? Zo is Freke roeken? We were just by Freke. And Freke is Reintje's mom. So maybe she smells it. Yeah. Freke is your grandma. Yeah. Hey, Blomke. Belle. Belle is clean again. Coralle. Sally. Hey. Yveske. En Reissie. Hey Bella. Hop, 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 hop. Sally. Oh. Oh, oh. Goed zo. Bravo. Hey, hey. Oh, oh. Doe je het over? Nee, 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 nee. Doe maar. Goed zo. Doe maar. Hij met wat in de macht? Niels en Puk. En Tjerk, maar Skittel. En ik, mijn Bibi.